Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video we will showing you how to connect bottle trap of wash basin when the drain hole in the wall is offset, not in a parallel line. You can see here the wash basin rain hole is not in straight line, then they use some additional pipe fitting to connect. This happens due to poor installation by plumber. You can cover up this mistake by using a PET wrap that can adjust the offset. If this video helped, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks.